Okay, installing the extruder head on the TAS 6 printer. You know, it's pretty like a cut and dried thing, cut and dried, you know, for anybody can just put one on. You know, you put it on this little Allen right there. You can see. And, you know, my first one, the hole didn't even line up. It was off, so if that hole's not right, you're gonna end up tilting it. So you're not quite sure. Okay, for those of you that are new to this game that kind of don't know, and I don't know, but if it matters to me though. Now, also I noticed right here where it sits in. Okay, just move, man. I'll try to keep still. Okay, what they need to do is put a screw here or another pin, some pins, locating pins that this sets into. When I was doing I had to return my first one. Now when I was doing the wiper clean, it was yanking this thing back and forth, where you could see this whole thing just looking like it wants to yank off. Okay, look, you can see that. You know, look, that's not good. It's floppy. I'm showing you guys some of the things you're going to encounter if you purchase one of these TAS. Okay, I'm going to follow through with other videos.